So I'm so excited about filming, I guess, like filming this whole process. Don't look behind me. We're gonna do that later because my room is really dirty, but look, I was practicing not doing anything, resting, because your girl don't know how to rest. Today was Sunday. I set the intention for Sundays to be my days that I just don't do anything and take that time to rest. And not doing anything means not cleaning my room, and my OCD is screaming. She was screaming at me. But anyways, let me not say OCD because I've not been diagnosed with OCD, but I just, So I have my tea right here. We got some green tea because we're detoxing. And this whole week, we're not doing no shadow work because I was sitting with myself yesterday and I was like, dang, like when is the last time that you didn't do shadow work? Like I pretty much do it every day and I love it. I like shadow work. Like that's just, I don't know if that's weird. I don't really care. And I'm really liking learning myself and really becoming friends with myself because I don't know, like, this girl is funny. Like what you're gonna see me do here, I'm about to clean this room first because I don't like doing yoga and practices and my spiritual practices in my dirty room. I don't know why. It's just not something that I don't like. I like a clean room because I feel like it's like a clear mind, like a clear space for my clear mind. And I don't know, I'm just gonna see what like my body feels like doing. If I feel like laying down, I'm finna lay down because I do have work at 10. So if I feel like laying down, I'm gonna lay down. If I don't feel like laying down, then I'm not gonna lay down. I don't know. I might do I actually think I am going to do some yoga. I already did a meditation this morning to connect with my ancestors. To align with the divine wisdom of my ancestors. I didn't do much. I went to work from 10 to 6 today and then I came home, went to the store because I'm cutting sugar out completely, cold turkey. So I'm detoxing everything, cutting everything out. What to do right now is I'm about to go take a shower and go to bed. Like I said, look, I'm not gonna lie, I already started having headaches in my head, like seriously, from the withdrawals from the sugar is starting. But I'm going to continue to do it because I know after I'm done with it, everything is gonna be a lot better. So let's go ahead and get a shower. Good morning. Right now it's currently 5 something in the morning. I don't know what time, but I'm sitting at my altar right now, but it's like I'm not doing no shadow work. Like I might like journal some gratitude stuff, pull cards from my day, and that's it. Day 2, trying to get this room clean. We definitely finna do that right now because when I get home from work, I be tired. I am a little tired right now because I got home last night at 9:50 something, didn't go to bed till like 10. So y'all know that's past my bedtime. I know tomorrow, like, I'll be feeling better, but it's just like, it's just weird. I just feel weird. But I'm about to clean this room first. Then I'm going to do some yoga and then I'm going to work out because I'm going to try to work out 4 times a week. So I'm really going to get that going. I'm going to get that started as well while I'm trying to get myself on track financially and mentally, spiritually, all of that. Let's go ahead and get to it. I'm heading off to work, kind of late, and I'm walking. But anyways, we're in the sun
feeling good. I forgot to show y'all me making this juice, but it's just, there's like these little packs from HEB. I didn't have enough, so it's more watery. But I didn't put no almond milk. I literally put water. Yeah, I'm dying. It's not sweet. It's sweet, but it's like it's like, it is sweet, but no, it's not sweet. It's not sweet. It's not sweet at all. It's kind of tangy, if I'm being honest, but I'm trying to train my taste buds. Also, for lunch-ish, since I was running late, I just brought like things to snack on, like celery and this salsa that I have, and like cheese sticks and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing. But I just wanted to update y'all. This is my little drink. It's nasty as hell, but it's very filling. So it's gonna be a long week, but we got it. No, it's not gonna be a long week. It's gonna be a good week. Okay, the foods that we eat, we're gonna find new recipes and stuff like that, because I went to the store yesterday and I realized I don't know how to cook anything without sugar. So I'm gonna have to see what kind of meals I can make that has no added sugar. So yeah. All right, bye. I gotta finish walking. Woo! I worked out this morning and I'm getting me another workout, but it's okay because we finna be fine. Come the summertime. Wait for the summertime. Wait for the springtime, but not even the springtime. Wait for the summertime. For the summertime, we gonna be real nice, okay? Real nice. All right, but I'm about to go. Bye.
So I'm back home. I got my bonnet on. I'm back home because I didn't even realize I was not supposed to work. Ghetto. So I'm home. I just finished editing the last clips that y'all just saw. Right now, what I'm about to do, since I finished editing, I am going to take a little break. And then I'm going to get up at 2 to take some pictures so I can have the pictures ready by 3:30, which is when the video will come out, but tomorrow. So, but today I just got to post my picture because I didn't post the picture yesterday, but I posted the picture the day before. And so I'm trying to do that every other day as well to keep my Instagram up to speed and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm about to put this clip in and then take a little nap or a little pause or something, watch a little movie real fast until 2, and I will be done for the day. And then we'll see wherever the day takes us, really. So, you know, we may go outside. We may go. That's really the only place. I don't know. We'll see what the hell happens, y'all. I don't know. But
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm dead.
Y'all, I just made this lentil stuff. Never had lentils before, but I'm doing this new thing where I'm trying new things. And I ain't gonna hold y'all, I'm a wee bit scared. Not scared, but I don't know what to expect. Well, I guess that is fear. You know how we be fearing the unknown. Look at me over here stalling. But anyways, let's see what this tastes like, y'all. It smells like grass though, you know what I'm saying? And I'm trying to get into that so much, but all right, let's eat. And I might have to put some soy sauce because soy sauce don't have sugar in it. And this smell like some soy sauce will go good on this. Okay, so wait, hold on. Let's see, y'all. Let's see, y'all. No. Well, I will say this stuff busting. It's good. I'm surprised. Anyways, what's in here? I'm put the recipe up on the screen somewhere or in a description, one or the other. The only thing that I would change is the texture of the lentils. It feel kind of, what's the word? Grainy, papery. I don't know if that's the word, but yeah. I'm about to put some soy sauce up on this thing, and I'm finna eat it up, because baby, it is better than I expected. It's way better than I expected. I did not know that it was gonna be this good. Y'all want y'all a plant-based meal? Lentil pasta. I'm gonna link the lady that, bro, I be having 5011 links in my description. This is so good. I put broccoli in mine because I just had some. Is the reason she's in her room. She sleep, boo. Look, he be always looking for the cat. Look at him. He looking for the cat. The cat not even know where to be found. Look, the cat is in my roommate's room. Don't look at me. She's looking at me like, what the heck are you doing? Okay, but I'm about to eat and stuff, and I'll see y'all in a second. Hello. It's been about a day. I'm about to, probably should do my hair just to get it out the way, right? Yeah. First off, I want to say I'm so proud of myself because I did not feel like getting up this morning and doing no daggone yoga. Let me be doing my hair while I'm talking to y'all. This is what is going on. So yesterday I actually took a day where I just kind of rested. Okay, I woke up that morning. Well, let's talk about the night before. The night before was the night of the full moon. I didn't film it because I didn't do anything ritually or whatever, but I did end up releasing stuff and all of that, but I didn't do it in a normal way, so I didn't film it or anything because I didn't really plan to do it. But I went and I was at the park and I was, playing volleyball with some kids that I know at the park, and then I came home and I started writing, and I sat down at my altar and I had the feeling, I was like, I feel like I'm ignoring something, or I kept seeing Two of Swords on my tarot cards, but like I have like little guides right here because I'm still learning the meanings of tarot, and I put the meanings of tarot like with my intuition. So if you read tarot, you'll understand what I'm talking about. That's neither here nor there. I kept seeing Two of Swords, and if you don't know what Two of Swords is about, Two of Swords is about avoiding something. Basically, in the Rider-Waite tarot deck, she has like a blindfold over her eyes, and she's holding these swords like this, so it's like she can't see something. The point is, I kept seeing that I was avoiding something, or I wasn't paying attention to something. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let me go ahead and do some shadow work. Now, I know I said I wasn't going to do any shadow work, but I'm glad I did, because this is the thing. I got the feeling that I don't think that my guides were saying that I needed to stop doing shadow work or take a break from shadow work. I think what they were trying to say was that I need to find the balance between the masculine and the feminine side. So if you don't know, the masculine side is all about going, getting it, okay? Chasing, okay? The feminine side is about receiving, doing the shadow work. The feminine side is not afraid to look at the shadow side. I tapped into that feminine energy. I did some shadow work. I got some really, really good revelations, I guess that's what you can call it, like about my abandonment issues with my dad, stuff that's kind of holding me back, or stuff that was kind of holding me back. Let me do my hair, child. Stuff that was kind of holding me back, and also stuff that kind of, carried over into my romantic relationships. It did play a part into, why things didn't work out the way that they should. I never gave him any space because I
felt like if I did, like I would be abandoned. You see what I'm saying? Because that's what my dad did. You know what I'm saying? So that's one thing. Also me feeling unworthy of love, and how, you know, my dad made me feel unworthy of love, and so did my ex. You see what I'm saying? Just because, and the reason, it's not like they were doing it on purpose or whatever the case may be. But there were some things that I realized, and I was like, you know what? It really wasn't anybody's fault. It's just, you know, based off of traumas that, you know, we both may have. You see what I'm saying? So, but you know, that's neither here nor there. So I did that. And then the next day I woke up, I was supposed to go to work. I woke up and I felt really, really sick. Like I was about to faint, like I was about to pass out. I ended up calling in sick to work because I did not know what was going on. Thank goodness I feel better now. I didn't know what was going on. I knew it wasn't like COVID or nothing, but I was like, bro, I can't even stand up. Like I couldn't even stand up. Or like when I did stand up, I would get lightheaded, like I was about to pass out and faint. So I stayed home, and I'm glad I did, because I stayed home and I got some stuff done. I got some laundry done. And, you know, I watched a couple videos and I really just took it easy. You know what I'm saying? Which was much needed. I needed that rest. I did some research on becoming a high value woman and red flags in a relationship. And I even looked at myself, and I'm going to be abstaining from sex because my body is a temple and it's sacred. Okay, period. And you don't just let anybody up in that thing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to be abstaining from sex until I get into a serious relationship. Not even a serious relationship, because even when I'm in a serious relationship, I may be like, okay, hold on, you gotta wait first. You see what I'm saying? I get that thing up too easily, period. Because my body is a temple and I'm a queen and I should be treated as such. Okay, not just because somebody wants to be with me intimately that way. No, because I deserve to be treated a certain way. Period. So any man that has to date me, I'm just letting you know, you're gonna have to wait, sweetie. And it is what it is, because I'm a queen. If you don't want to wait, then kindly swipe left, because it is what it is, period. I didn't film any of it because, like I said, I didn't do anything yesterday. Like, I literally took it easy. I felt so sick. I need to get my little thing so I could cover up this part of my head, because, baby, we need to get these dreads redone. Now, I'm just getting dressed and ready for work. I'm about to go make more of that pasta. Also, yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, I took a cheat day. Also, too, there was another thing that I was feeling, that I was going way too hard with the no sugar thing. This is the thing. I know myself, and I don't do diets. I don't encourage anybody to do any type of diets, just because you're going to end up falling off of a diet. It's not about being on a diet. It's about like a lifestyle change. So what I decided I was going to do is, you know, most of the time out the week, I'm not going to eat sugar. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to eat anything with any added sugar. And also yesterday I had some stuff with some added sugar and it just tasted way too sweet. Like, I had these like pickles and it had added sugar. I was like, what? It was nasty. Okay, it was way too sweet. I didn't like it. So instead of going on a diet and just for this whole week, I'm not going to eat sugar. No, what we're going to do is for the rest of my life, most of the time, I'm not going to be eating too much sugar. I'm not going to be indulging in sugar, indulging in things that have added sugar. But what I am going to do is, you know, every week I'm going to take a cheat day. So I'm going to have, like, yesterday was my cheat day, which was Thursday. Every once in a while, I am going to have sugar, and that's okay. If you are doing this as well, maybe take a couple days off at first just to get your taste buds, you know, tuned a little bit, because it only took a couple days for my taste buds to be like, oh. And then that way, when you actually start eating sweet foods that you used to, like, you just eat regularly, you're gonna be like, oh, that's too sweet. Oh my God, what is that? It's gonna be nasty. Okay, period. That's my advice. It's about to be 8:30, so I'm about to take my B12. This is your sign to take your B12. If you have low iron deficiency, y'all, take this stuff. These are at HEB. I think these was like, what, $8? This is your sign to go take your vitamins and B12 if you need it. If you haven't watched my last video, the episode 1, go watch episode 1. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. And if you didn't like this video, if you didn't enjoy this video and it didn't resonate with you, hit the thumbs down button. That's fine too. Y'all know I don't be tripping too much. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you can see new episodes that come out every week, Saturday at 3:30 p.m. Chicago time. Leave me a comment below. What's your favorite savory meal? That could be healthy, it could be unhealthy. I hope that you guys did get value out of this video. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.